Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So glad to see you. So glad to be back. Had a little hiatus there, doing some YouTube shorts. And I want to say thank you so much for your support and your kind words. Good to be back. Okay, so we have a lovely one today from Outre, and this is one of their lace front deluxe wigs. I am so excited to try her, and she's going to look really perfect with what I'm wearing later on today. So I want to introduce you to Elya. It's been a while since I've done a bone straight wig with the mid part, but she is so beautiful, and because of the construction on this wig, I'm expecting some really beautiful results. To get going, there are the specialty colors that she comes in. This Outre lace front deluxe premium synthetic fiber wig has a deeper hand tied edges and looks extra natural. We have ear to ear transparent lace, deeper pre-plucked hand tied lace edges, 5-inch deep parting, natural baby hairs, and she is heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This color, oh, this color. So guys, we have her in DRST2 / chocolate caramel. Let me bring her up closer to the sunlight so you can look at all that. Look at all of that. Caramel, chocolate, butterscotch. You just want to chomp on her. She just sounds so wonderful, and she's so gorgeous. Beautiful parting on here. Here is that fabulous transparent lace, and I do detect the baby hairs. And just this beautiful graduation here of scalp. It just seems like no matter where you part her, you just really get this lace. And this lace is supposed to be of such high quality, it really melts into the skin. So let's go ahead and prep her, get her on. We can't wait to share her with you. And so, final thoughts. She was a dream to install, and the cap construction on this just makes all the difference in the world. She lays so flat, and that part is just everything. Just love her. Incorporated a few baby hairs here because I had some little locks of my own that had peeked through the lace or peeked under the lace, so I was able to incorporate those with some baby hairs, and it worked out really well. This color is stunning, and I don't know if you can really fully see it. So you get to look at my closet here, but just to show you in a little better sunlight what she looks like. She is beautiful. This unit is lightweight, very comfortable, and just the right amount of hair. I love the density on this, not heavy at all. Very, very comfortable. Also, when I was putting her in a ponytail, I realized, ponytail to do my makeup, I realized that in a low ponytail, she's absolutely cute. So there can probably be some really nice alternative styling options to her. So guys, what do you think? I think she is just lovely, and she's still widely available, so if you can pick her up, please do so and take advantage of some of those beautiful fashion colors. I'm absolutely loving this one here, and I really want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Please, if you have not, subscribe to my channel, and if you can like this video, guys, I would deeply appreciate it all. Thank you so much, and stay blessed, guys. So much to be thankful for. Please stay blessed.